Hello, this is Dr. Allen, and welcome to the 3-day MBA for dentists. I get this question often about why a dentist should learn about the MBA or the Master Business Administration. Well, as you probably know, if you own your own practice, one of the most difficult aspects of dentistry is practice management, no matter where you practice in the world. Now, practice management includes many things such as finance, sales and marketing, leadership, team building, human resource management, and obviously corporate strategy. That's how you learn about how to go from point A to point B and grow your practice. Now, as you probably know, management is totally separate than dentistry. You can be the best dentist in the world, but if you're not able to manage your practice well, you cannot grow that practice. Now, management, you can get a PhD in management, you can get your master's in management, but who has time to learn all the stuff that they teach in schools of management and business? However, what I have done for you as the dentist is I have summarized everything that I have learned through my own Master Business Administration school, as well as my 30 years working as a dentist, entrepreneur, owner of chains of dental clinics, as well as consulting with hundreds of offices across the globe. Let me cover with you what this program will entail. The 3-day Dental MBA for dentists, the first day we spend time on communication skills and sales mastery, because I totally believe communication is the key or the core component of any practice. So we will focus on things like understanding the patient's buying psychology, understanding emotional turnoffs, the importance of handoff in promoting your practice, in instilling trust with patients. We'll discuss about discovery or patient assessment, how you need as a dentist do the examination, how your team can help you assess the patient wants and desires. Then we go on into the presentation phase. I will teach you when, how, and where you need to be doing your presentation for patient for optimal case acceptance. We'll learn about handling objections, how to handle a patient's objection when they tell you they don't have the money, they're afraid of going to the dentist, or they don't have the time to come in. And we'll discuss how to ask good closing questions. That's day one. Day two, we focus on leadership, because leadership is about bringing a bunch of people together and aligning your vision with theirs so you guys can all go toward the same direction. So we go through various points of leadership, what it takes to lead a dental practice, what it takes to build good leadership around you. So not everything is dependent on you, but you can create systems and processes in the practice that people can follow. Then in the afternoon, we discuss about team building, what it takes to bring a group of people together and make them work harmoniously together, that everyone stays motivated and accountable. On the last day, on day number 3, we'll discuss about finance. We'll discuss about reading and understanding the income statement, understanding the differences between balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow statements. We'll look at how practices are valued, what you can do to increase the valuation of your practice. Then we'll look at corporate strategies such as competitive advantage. How do you determine your competitive advantage of your business? How can you sustain a competitive advantage over a long period of time? We talk about a strategic partnership. We talk about expansion plans. I will cover 7 traditional and non-traditional expansion plans. Then we'll look at performance management. How do you manage the performance of your employees and every department in your practice, depending on how big of a practice you have? If you have multiple locations, if you're a big company, you want to be able to measure every single aspect of the activities your employees are doing. I will share with you how to create a dashboard, how to put all this information together, so all the information is at your fingertips. Now, this Master of Business Administration course, or the 3-day MBA course, is not for everyone. It's not for you if you're not an entrepreneur dentist, if you don't care about numbers, if you don't care about growing your practice, if you don't care about doubling your income, if you don't care about having a good team of people who can stay with you for a long time and work, and you create a big organization. However, if you're a dentist who is looking at adding value to their patients, adding value to their employees, increasing your income, having a better lifestyle, create more balance in your life, okay, this program is for you. And I invite you to take part in one of our many 3-day dental MBA training program. I look forward in having you in any of those programs. Thank you very much.